Hello students. In the last video, we discussed about how to solve the pair of linear equations by graphical method. So hope you understand students. And there we studied condition for consistency. By using the condition of consistency, how to decide the given pair of linear equations is intersecting lines, parallel lines and coincident lines. So hope you understand students. Now today we are going about the algebraic methods of solving a pair of linear equations. So here we are going to discuss elimination method, second substitution method, then cross multiplication method. So these methods we are going to discuss. So from the syllabus, now this method, cross multiplication method, it is reduced. So we will not discuss about cross multiplication method now. First we will complete the syllabus and then I will explain cross multiplication method. Okay, so first we will go on the substitution method. So first substitution method. So what is the substitution method? So in substitution method, so that algorithm I will send you. While solving the example, how to use that algorithm, that I will explain. Simply here first I am giving the algorithm and then has to start. So in that time it will waste. So I will send the algorithm. You can write down that algorithm. Now while explaining the examples, how to use that algorithm, that I will explain. Okay student. So substitution. Substitution means putting. Here two variables are there. So that two variables convert into one variable. In place of another variable, we will put the value from the first equation. So that is the substitution reaction. So we will take one example. First example, x plus y equals to 14. X minus y equals to 4. So these are the two equations are given. Equation number 1, equation number 2. So how to solve this? Solve the pair of linear equations means we have to find the value of x and y. So how to use the substitution method? So out of two equations, any one equation converts x in terms of y or y in terms of x. Any one. So how, for example, equation 1 I will convert. So what I will do, x equals to this y transfer there. So 14 minus y. So this equation number 3. So now we got the value of x. This value of x we will put in equation number 2. Substitute the value of x in equation 2. First equation we convert, So has to substitute in second. If second equation we convert, so substitute in first. Understood? So what has to do? So therefore equation 2. So equation 2, what is the value of x? 14 minus y. 14 minus y. Minus y equals to 4. So what will get? 14 minus y minus 2y equals to 4. Now transfer this 14 to that side. So what will get? Minus 2y equals to 4 minus 14. Understood, student? This 14 will transfer, so sign of 14 it is changed. So therefore minus 2y equals to 4 minus 14. What will get? Minus 10. Now transfer this to y equals to minus 10 by minus 2. So what will get? Y equals to 5. Got the value of y? Now put the value of y in equation 3. So we will get the value of x. Substitute y equals to 5 in equation 3. So what will get? Therefore x equals to 14 minus 5. So x equals to 9. Understood, student, how to solve this? Hope you understand this. If any doubt, if you have, ask me, I will clear your doubt. Understood? So now we will go on the second example. Now see the students, second question. Root 2x plus root 3y equals to 0. Root 3x plus root 8y equals to 0. Equation 2. So now these two equations are given. Now out of two, any one equation we have to transform. So what is equation 1? So what is equation 1? Root 2 x equals to, this we will transfer there, means minus root 3y. So what we get? Therefore x equals to minus root 3 by root 2y. So this is equation number 3. So this value of x we will substitute in equation 2. Substitute value of x in equation 2. Substitute value of x in equation 2. So therefore equation 2 becomes, so what is root 3 into, what is the value of x? Minus root 3 by root 2 into y plus root 8 y equals to 0. Understood, student? Now what will get? Therefore minus 3 by root 2 y plus 2 root 2 y equals to 0. So how it came? That you know, students. 8 means what? 4 into 2. So what will get? Square root of 4 is 2. Root 2. Hope you understand, student? Now here also y, here also y. So minus 3 by root 2 plus 2 root 2 into y equals to 0. Now if this term, if we will transfer another side, so what will happen? It will go in the division. So what will get? Value of y equals to 0. Got the value of y? 0. Now put this value. Put y equals to 0 in equation 3. In which equation? 3, because has to find out the value of x. So therefore x equals to minus root 3 by root 2 into 0. So what will get? X equals to 0. So what is the value of x and y? X equals to 0 and y equals to 0. Hope you understand, student, this. Now we will go on the next. Now third question. What is 3 by 2x minus 5 by 3y equals to minus 2? Equation 1. X by 3 plus y by 2 equals to 6. Equation 2. Now here is fraction is given. So fraction is given. So what has to do? We have to remove the fraction. How to remove the fraction? So for removing the fraction, we have to eliminate the denominator. How to eliminate the denominator? See, equation 1 becomes. So what are the denominators? 2 and 3. So LCM of the denominator. What is the LCM of the denominator? 6. So multiply this equation by 6. So multiply equation 1 by 6. So what will get? Therefore 6 into 3 by 2x minus 6 into 5 by 3y equals to minus 2 into 6. Not only one term, we have to multiply all the terms. Understood? Now what will get? 2 3s are 6. So 9x minus 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So 10y equals to minus 12. Now equation number 3. Got the simple equation? We eliminate the denominator, means now there is no fraction. Same way equation 2 also. So multiply equation 2 by 6. So what will get? Equation 2. So therefore 6 into x by 3 plus 6 into y by 2 equals to 6 into 6. So what will get? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are. So 2x plus 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 3y equals to 36. Got the simple equations? Now this has to transform. So what? This equation 2, equation 4 we will transform. So therefore equation 4 becomes. So what will get? 2x equals to 36 minus 3y. 36 minus 3y. Now transfer this. What will get? X equals to 36 minus 3y by 2. This is the value of x. Now this equation number 5. This value of x. Now which equation we transform? Equation 4. So now this value of x we will substitute in equation 3. Now we will not consider equation 1 and 2. Leave it. Forget it, equation 1 and 2. Now from here we will remember these are our new equations. Understood, student? So now equation 4 we transform. So put this value in equation 3. Substitute the value of x in equation 3. Which equation has to substitute? 3. So equation 3 becomes. So what is the equation 3? Here 9 into What is the value of x? Here 36 minus 3y by 2. Then minus 10y equals to minus 12. Now simplify this. Remove this 2. So multiply by 2. Multiply by 2. So what will get? 9 into 36 minus 3y. 2 to cancel. So here 20y. Here minus 24. Now here I showed how to multiply. Here I did directly. Understood, student? Now here simplify. So 9 6 are 54. 5. 9 3 are 27. 27 plus 5. 32. Minus. Multiply each and every term of the bracket. 27y. Minus 20y. Minus 24. Now transfer this to that side. And this y. So what will get? Minus 47y. And here minus 24 minus 324. So minus 47y equals to minus 348. Now y equals to, transfer this, minus 348 by minus 47. Minus minus cancel. Now if it is possible, it is divisible, then you can divide it. Otherwise keep as it is. Understood, student? This is the value of y. Now substitute this value in equation 5. Whereas to substitute in equation 5. So check it, student, once again. This whatever we did, that is right or wrong. Check once again multiplication. So okay. Now we will put y equals to 348 by 47 in equation 5. So what we get? Therefore x equals to 36 minus 3 into 348 by 47 by 2. So what will get? 36 minus 3, multiply here, 3 8s are 24, 2, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 9 plus 1, 10 by 47 into 2. 47 it will, sorry, this here 47 here by 2. Now LCM, multiplication of these two numbers, 36 into 47. So what will get? 7 6 are 42. 7 3s are 21 plus 4, 25. 4 6 are 24. 2, 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 2, 9, 6, 1. So what is 1692 minus 1042 by 47 into 2. So what will get? 1044 minus here 8, 9 minus 5, 4, 6, 648 by 1494. So here simplify this and write the answer. Understood, student? This is the value of x. So in this way we have to solve the linear equations by which method? Substitution method. We have to substitute this. Understood, student, this? So if you have any doubt, you can ask. I will clear your doubts. Okay? So whatever exercise remaining questions are there, exercise 3.3, question number 1. So whatever equations are there, that questions you have to solve. Having any doubt, ask me. I will clear your doubt. Okay? Thank you and have a nice day.